This is pretty much the home screen of the application. This is a application I personally use, so I'm gonna review it and show you guys how to use it. So you can pretty much blur background using this application here. You can tap on the blur background feature and pretty much upload any photo that you may want to blur the background for. Let's say, for example, this photo here or this image here. All I have to do is select the image that you want to blur the background for. As you can see here, it will automatically do it for you once you upload the image. And if I do intensify it, as you can see here, it does look even more blurrier. So as you can see here, and as well, you can erase certain parts that you may not want to blur. You can use the blur option here, and you pretty much can blur it yourself if you want to do that. And the unblur option, let's say you don't want this right here to be blurred, you can use that as well to unblur that option here. And also you do have effects which you can use. As you can see here, you have these effects which you can use as well, and you pretty much can intensify based on what you want to do. As well, you have this option here, can pretty much a little glorified image, glorified color around the person. As you can see here, can intensify it, can go a bit down, all up to you guys. And as well, you can use this feature here as well. So that's pretty much how you use this application here. And once you're finished, you just go ahead and pretty much save it. This option here, nothing much. It just shows you the part that are pretty much going to be blurred out or some cases, areas that are not blurred out. So once you have done, you pretty much tap on the save option. It will be saved to your storage or your gallery, and that's it. So you do have a next option which you can use as well. You have the option. You have the cutout option where you can cut out images as well. So let me just try this one here. So you select the image from your camera, wherever the image is, upload that image. And once you have uploaded the image, you can either select what you want to erase or cut out, I should say, erase cutout. As you can see here, I want to cut out that option. And as well, you can use the auto cutout feature, which automatically cuts out this person here. And as you can see, you can tap on the preview option. If I do tap on this here, this is pretty much the results once I save it. So that's really pretty much it. And you do have the erase option, which allows you to pretty much remove that what you don't want to erase or don't want to blur, cut out, I should say, sorry. So if you have done all of these, you may want to go back to the original image without tapping on it. It's at the top here. Just tap on the reset option here, and it will go back to normal. And once you finish, set forward, just tap on the save option here, and it will save straight to your gallery. So very, very good application here. And I personally use it myself. So check it out. Links in the description. See you guys in the next one.